My name is Colin Anderson. I'm the Global Chief Information Security Officer for Levi Strauss & Company. I'm responsible for pretty much security and risk management end-to-end for Levi Strauss.
My name is Ryan Clark. I'm the Senior Manager for Global Cybersecurity at Levi Strauss & Company. My responsibilities include managing a few teams, including security monitoring, incident response, our threat intelligence, as well as our security awareness training.
We use the full suite of Exabeam products. We use advanced analytics, entity analytics, the data lake, case management, and the Threat Hunter product.
We knew we had a big task ahead of us in terms of discovery, as well as need to quickly understand our environment. Bringing in initially the first tool, advanced analytics, that gave us a lot of very quick context for a global organization in terms of what does right look like. A lot of quick insight and helped our team actually gain quite a bit of traction among IT and the company globally.
The challenge I faced at Levi's is a challenge that many people face. The problem with legacy SIEMs are you find what you're looking for. What I needed was a tool that allowed me to find what I wasn't looking for. I needed an analytics-based tool, and Exabeam was a natural fit. The main criteria I used when I was looking at Exabeam were really how it made my team more effective. It was efficiency, it was effectiveness that I was after. I needed a tool that kind of upskilled my first level talent and made them operate at a second and third tier level.
We needed something more advanced, right? And we also wanted to make sure that we had really one integrated product that worked well. So as we just go from having data lake, which would be a traditional correlation SIEM, really understanding how it works neatly together with the advanced analytics tool we had enjoyed, as well as the incident response and the case management tool. You can spend your entire career in information security trying to make the things you bought work together. If you have one seamless platform, that's just taking one of those factors out, and it can allow you to focus on what's important, which is protecting your people, understanding your business.
What I'm looking to get out of Exabeam going forward is a future-proof solution. The legacy SIEMs actually outlived their usefulness. I think with Exabeam's architecture and how it's designed, it is helping me future-proof my cybersecurity function, and it will grow with that function, and I think it's going to be a good investment for many years to come. Exabeam in one word, efficient.